mean, it's done. That's why it looks so neat. It's like I'm always doing it. Okay, I'm always doing it. So I'm so neat. Like I'm always wearing big t-shirts. Really, yeah. Always wearing big t-shirts because I just feel comfortable wearing these big t-shirts. What are you doing, Kim? What are you doing? I'm about to lay down and just watch some watch my show. Not Power, but it's one of them shows. Okay, boo boos. Okay. Have a good night. Peace out. My other phone. Oh no, my other phone. This phone is dead. I gotta charge it. Oh, that's the phone. I need to charge this phone real quick. Yeah, I see I not tapping the screen or nothing. Remember, if YouTube asks y'all to rate my videos, please rate them if good. Please rate them good. So I can stay on the YouTube body. Excuse me, y'all. Go and look at my playlist. Go watch my playlist. Go watch my playlist. Go watch my playlist. Salute. I'm doing good. I hope you all are doing great. I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful evening, wonderful night, wonderful morning, wonderful afternoon, wherever you are in this world. I need to charge this. I need to charge the phone. 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 Oh, my fan is on. Well, yeah, y'all already know the vibes. Once you unbuckle that pants after eating, you know it's like it's over. Like it's unbuckled, it's over. Okay, cause boo boo. Yeah, I really look small. Like when I wear the big shirt, it makes me look small. But look, what's up? What's up? What you say? What you say? Bow, 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 bow. I'm just being silly. I don't want to lie. Peace. Have a good night. I'm gonna live stream tomorrow. I'm trying to not. I'm not able to live stream every day, but the times I'm able to live stream, I'll be trying to at least live stream like an hour before an hour. But I can lay down and sleep. I can't be on live stream right now. Just after eating McDonald's, I just want to take a shower and lay down and just go to sleep. My body's just over it, you know. Have a wonderful night. Have a wonderful evening, y'all. Thanks for showing me support by sending me Cash App, sending me PayPal. I appreciate all of y'all. For real. Y'all make me motivated to keep live streaming because it's not motivating to, I don't get motivated all the time, but lately I've been really motivated to just live stream this shit for you. I appreciate y'all, but um, I'm gonna go in there because I'm really tired. I can't even keep my eyes open. I was supposed to stay in there and chill with my homegirl. Let's say I was chilling with her, but she had to work, so it was like her going back for that. But peace out. I know I'm gonna get copyrighted because there was music playing there. So if y'all can't hear any of the music or some of the live stream being paused, that means music is being played and YouTube